Say vaginal.
Vaginal? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Jamaican Kim, and I have my hubby over there so. And today we're gonna do the whisper challenge. Yeah, me know me late, but we just are gonna do it. Yeah. So we're gonna get started, guys. This when you're doing the whisper challenge, make sure that your partner phone or whatever they're listening the music from is turned up all the way up because they will cheat. Come.
You already know?
Turn off it.
You already know?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna sit here. Don't come in and come out. Matanya.
Go on again.
Matanya. Matanya. You like get the one? I'm gonna try one different one. You know I get the one, I'm gonna try one different one. You love red blue.
Go on again.
You love red blue.
I love rum.
Let's say. You love red blue.
Go on again.
Look how close to the coffee that we're about to hear over here, guys. You love red blue.
Hold on. I love... You say I don't love rum. If I love wear blue,
Yes, if you love red blue. What kind of music is it everything to?
I'm sure I do it.
The play like a fool, it's just another one to hear it, guys. Huh?
I'm gonna get that one for you, that, you know. Yeah, you're...
Where say?
Yeah, pop style, but...
Yeah, pop style.
With a year, man. You wanna get take people for you, that.
Eh?
You know if I hear. That's me.
What? What? What?
You love wear blue.
Get a puss.
You love wear blue.
One more time.
Chicken. You love wear blue.
Get the pussy.
Remember, say pick me there. Somebody where that come from.
I mean, second. I mean, second to one. Because that's great.
Go on around your room, yeah.
Guys, he's saying more than one thing, you know, because he wasn't saying that in the first place. At the time when they saying that in the first place, no, you need to say more than one stuff, not true?
You remember.
Exactly. See, if not even remember, so if you know why they talk, say, you they cheat.
I ain't cheating.
I know you have to say one thing.
Ready? Hold on.
Change the song, cause the song there.
Ready now.
You already know? Play the music. Which artist are for your artist? You come so close to me for. Which artist are for your artist? You hear me saying?
You know, move your lips, my youth.
Which artist are for your artist? Which artist are for your artist?
Which artist are for my artist?
Yes.
Then you move them out now.
No, sir.
A while ago, see ya.
Why is he shouting? Right, give me this. Now listen to Intense.
You have to tell them where you listen.
What?
You have to tell them where you listen.
Tell you. Listen.
That man be there. You have to tell them where you listen.
So you're idiot.
You say if you have to tell them what, you have to tell them where you listen.
You have to tell them I listen.
Yeah.
Of course I have to tell them I listen. I have to tell them I listen, of course. You wash your body? You wash your body?
If what?
You wash your body?
One again.
You wash your body?
If more wash panty.
No. You wash your body?
What?
You wash your body?
If more wash my body.
Yeah. You wash your body? Yes, I wash your body. Blood the pain lip. One more time. Blood the pain lip. What you think I'm saying? One last time.
I read yourself a read a lip. I take my feed that.
No. Blood the on your lip. Blood the on your lip. Maybe I missed it this time. Jesus Christ. What's that? No. Blood the on your lip. Blood the on your lip. Blood. The on your lip.
Read my lip. No. What?
Blood the on your lip. Blood the and then look for say blood the on your lip for you. What's that? Give me this. Alright. Ready?
Yeah, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
No, we made it cheap a while ago. I'm not cheap.
I cook for dinner tomorrow.
Let me go.
Criminal, you know? I cook for dinner tomorrow.
Let me cook.
I cook for dinner tomorrow.
Let me cook for dinner tomorrow. We can't read the lip.
Yeah.
No, hello. Right, see that. We can't read the lip.
Yeah.
We can't read the lip. It is loud. Guys,
Okay.
I can read lip good. Okay? I can read lip good. So if they talk and they take time and they talk, I can read the lip. Me now guys, I'm listening, so I can talk I speak very fast sometimes. Right? So when I speak very fast, he's not gonna pick up. Understand? Yeah, so that's why you're not winning, okay? Just take your losses and settle yourself. Sure. Yeah.
Alright.
Just can't take losses.
That's it. I got my bed.
Sit down, I'm gonna close out the video. I can't just get up all that. Sure. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoy this whisper challenge. My hubby, he can't take losses, so I just saw it go. I don't know why guys be like that. Them just can't take losses. So guys, if you do enjoy seeing him on my channel, leave a comment and let me know so I can bring him on my channel more often and do more videos and stuff together. And if you guys have any question, you can drop it down in the comments. So I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a big thumbs up, drop a comment, and I will see you again in my next video, guys. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe.